10:35. All right. Networking. If you're not good at that, become great at it, right? It needs to be in your schedule. You definitely need to be out meeting new people, and you'll learn new things. Like networking areas. The good thing about real estate, everybody wants to buy it. So it doesn't matter really where you network at. So you could really network on something that you really care about. What if you cared about flowers and planting flowers and building bouquets? Maybe that's something you do just because you love doing it. You could network with those people and then weave in real estate. You don't have to just go where real estate agents are, except if you're trying to, see if EXP is a good fit for some agents out here, which we know it is, right? So you could, if I'm a network with agents, it's for agent attraction, right? If I'm a network just as real estate, finding real estate clients, I'm going to go where in groups with people I know have money to buy homes, depending on what my move up price is in my marketplace, Atlanta, $475,000 or more. If I'm in Jacksonville, $350,000 or more is a move up price point, right? I'm going to go where people can afford that. How much money do they need to make? $80,000 or more. So I'm going to network where I know that type of income is. That's where it is. You don't know where to network at? Go on Eventbrite. They got all kinds of stuff for anywhere. You guys need to do a class on this, Simone. You and Juanita. Y'all need to do one of our trainers. In fact, do it on a week when it's my turn, right? On my turn, and y'all need to. They are really good at networking. They're really good at it. They're really good at it. So, but it's got to be intentional. So don't go network at the PTA. Well, I guess you could do the PTA, but if you're gonna go to PTA, maybe be for a private school with tuition's $30,000. Okay, Wesleyland over by you, Lauren, right? Over in Norcross, which tuition's $30,000-$40,000 a year for kids to go there. We know parents got that coin, right? Got the quan. So
yeah,
go ahead.
Last week, Cantrell said she went to a PTA meeting. I told her make sure she wears some type of realtor shirt or something like that. She said she did.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Everywhere I go, I wear my merch, y'all. People are like, what's that? Oh, where'd you get that? CEO Mogul merch. Oh, by the way, could lead to a speaking gig for me, right? Okay. All right, client networking, client service. We already talked about that. Technology. If you're not good at technology, I don't want to hear about that. Find somebody that good. Go on Fiverr. Contact Razy on my team. She'll find you a Filipino for $5 or $6 an hour that can run your whole database for you. I'll work 10 to 20 hours for you. I don't have $100 a week. Well, fine, figure out a way to get it. It's the only thing I tell you. You have to have a budget to run your business, guys. You cannot be in real estate, your LLC. Your goal is to duplicate yourself. Eventually, you have to get to where you can pay a VA who probably knows more about real estate than you do to help you run your prospecting, your market knowledge, your market advertising. They can help you with negotiation. They can help you with networking by finding you where to go. Client services, they can help you put a Raven fan program in place that we have, and then technology savvy. So basically, you only have to be good at maybe at 1 or 2 of these things. You don't have to be good at all 7 of them, but you need all 7 to compete and win. Don't just compete. The worst thing you can do is compete. That's like going to most ladies. That's like going finding somebody that you're really attracted to, and we're all single at this moment. Just pretend, right? And somebody else is dating them. You're like, sorry for their loss. She belonged to me. I'm gonna date that person. I mean, I teach my daughter. I say, you're always dating somebody's ex. Like most people are not single. Right? You got it's just the way life goes. All right.